Whoa, what's up everyone, my name is Abhishek, you are watching Excel World, let's get started. I know, some of you may think about this, that where is my money going? Why I can't able to save more money? So, to help you in that, I'm going to show you how you can make a professional monthly budget sheet so that you are good in your financial position. But before starting my video, I just want you to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss my video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. The monthly budget sheet includes three basic things that are income, expenditure, and saving. And in this video, I'm going to show you more things that you can add to your monthly budget sheet. So don't skip any part of the video. Firstly, we will make the income sheet. So for that, I just want to give a title to my sheet. Let's go with income, and let's see. So you can see that doesn't look nicer, so I just want to change the format of the cell. To format my cell, I simply use two functions that is available in the home tab, and you can see here merge and center and cell style. So I basically use these two things to make my worksheet look nicer. So firstly we will do the merge and center. Just simply press this and select three cells and then click on merge and center, and you can see my cell is now merged with three columns as well as it's in center position. Then I simply use cell style. So we have a bunch of options here, but I mostly prefer to use the heading one, and you can see now it look nicer. The next thing I will do, I just want to change my worksheet name. So from here you can see the sheet name is monthly budget sheet. So I will change this by just simply clicking right on that and then rename. Then I will give income to my worksheet, then press enter, and you can see my worksheet name is changed to income. So let's start the good stuff now. So we are going to make the whole year monthly budget sheet. So for that, firstly we will give month names to the cells. So let's start here. Here. So I will simply write JAN for January, then I will write FEB for February. Then I don't have to write the whole month names, so just simply drag this to December, and you can see we have this little icons here. So now we got the month names. After that we will just simply change the format of these cells. So same again, I will just simply select the whole range. Then I will go with center alignment, and then I will change the cell style. So for this, let's say let's go with heading 2. So now you can see we got our heading 2 and this is our heading 1. You can also change the font size here. So I will do 30. Oh, that's good. So now you can see we got our title, we got our month names, and now we are going to give the sources of income on the C column here. So we will type sources here and then press enter. So I'm a student and I only got checks from my employer, so I simply write check number 1. So click this, check 2, 3, how many checks you received. If you are receiving any rent, you can also write in that. Any source that you are receiving from anyone, you can write here. So I'm a student and I'm also getting some taxes, so I will write tax here. And then if you have any other source of income, you can just simply type others. So that makes any sense to you, I think so. So these are the sources of income, and now we are going to change the format of our sources. So let's select all these, then click on cell style. Let's choose something different. Let's go with notes. Okay, I got an idea. So let's select all this range, click on cell style and then notes. For the headings, I will go with heading 2 format. Okay, and we just missed one more column, that is total. So we have to give totals here and here. And also we are going to change the cell style for all of these sections from here to here. Press Ctrl from here to here. Click on cell style, notes, and for the totals I will choose heading 2. Perfect. Now we are almost at the end of our income sheet. So the next step is add AutoSum function to all these cells here. So for January, I will simply go with, in the home tab in the editing group, AutoSum here on the top right corner. Just simply click this, select the range, then press enter. So you can see we got 0 because we have no numbers in our January cells. Then just drag this to December. Then here we are also going to use AutoSum function. So AutoSum, now we are going to go with all the checks we are received, the first check we are received in every month. So just simply drag this, then press enter, and then just drag this all the way to down, and this cell will show you a total amount that you earned in a year. So this cell is different. Let's go with good, and I will change to bold as well as the font size. So now you can see we almost got our income sheet ready. Then if you are filling any number, so for example let's fill 500, 600, 500, anything, it will AutoSum here as well as here. So let's see 500, and you can see we got 1000 earned in check once, and in total year we got 2100. Also one more thing, so if you want to change the format of the numbers, so let's drag all these here, just the numbers. Then in the home tab in the numbers group, you can just simply click on this down arrow and you have a bunch of options, but I simply use accounting number, and you can see I got $sign as well as 2 decimal places. So this look nice. So this is how you can make income sheet. Now I also want to make a chart for the income sheet. So for that I'll simply click on January to December, then press Ctrl, then click on totals. So just simply click all of the totals, then just simply press F11 function key on the keyboard, and you can see we got a new sheet as well as the chart here. Let's move the chart after the income and rename this to income chart. And after that you can do anything with the chart here. You can change the chart style, change the chart type. So let's change the chart style. Let's go with this because I mostly use this style. And for the title I will simply go with income, press enter, and you can see I got income as a title. Then I also want label that how much I earned in every month. For that you simply have to click on the chart area, then you got 3 options here. Click on plus sign, then here you have data labels. Simply click data labels and you can see how much I earned in January, 1600. And if you just change any number here, so for example in April I just simply go with 1000, press enter, and you can see in the income chart I got a bar for April month. This is very cool feature in Excel. This is how we make income chart for our income. And now we have to make expenditure as well as saving sheet, but in this video I'm not going to show you that because that will make my video more lengthy. So I already make my sheet, so I'll show you here. I have income, I have income chart, expenses, expense chart, saving, grocery, and utilities. You can also see I just changed the color of the tabs of the worksheets. So for that, simply click right and just go with tab color and select any color from here, and that color will be changed. So for expenses, I have just these kind of expenses: rent, mobile, grocery, my travel pass, my personal grocery and utilities. So you can see here I have some functions already fitted on these cells and the grocery and the utilities. So let's go with an example. Let's go in grocery sheet and go with in March. Let's type 50, 40, 60, and you can see I have auto sum here for all these cells. Let's move into the expense sheet. My god, you can see you don't have to fit or type your numbers here. You just simply type a formula here and then you can just do cell reference here. And the same thing is with utilities. For utilities, just type any number here and you can see we have an auto sum here, and when you go on the expense sheet you got your numbers here. So you have to type your numbers in these two sheets, then this will automatically using cell reference to the expense sheet. You can also see I have an expense chart here. This is how I can see where I am spending and how is my trend going upward or downward. I also have a saving sheet here. Let me just show you how you can do cell reference. So for income, let's click on this cell, type equal to, then in the income sheet go with total. That's why I'm saying you have to make some totals. So click on total, then press enter, and you can see I got my income. Then you don't have to do anything, just simply drag this all the way to December and you got your incomes. For expenditure it's same, click equal to in the expense sheet, go with January, press enter, you got your number, drag this to December and you got your expenses. And in saving you just simply have to type equal to C8 minus C9, that is obvious, income minus expenditure is equal to savings. This is how you can make savings. If you need this file and don't want to do anything, just contact me on my Instagram or my email. I will provide my ID's link in the description. So if you like this content, please hit the subscribe button and see you in next video.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.